How to erase personalized predictions for Samsung keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and from here, tap on general management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on reset to default settings. In here, you can choose erase personalized predictions. Then from the pop-up, it said that erase the personalized data that's used for word predictions. So tap on erase button and this will erase your data back to default. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.